Hello fellow, welcome to my channel. I guess you have no idea how to trade since you clicked this video, but don't worry, even those who claim that know how to trade are 95% losers. Candlestick is an amazing and a genius way to check the price range at the given period. Munichi Sakoma was a Japanese rice merchant that introduced the idea in the 18th century, and trust me, trading is much older. I have an example here of a candlestick and the most basic information that you will need. This candlestick represents the prices in a day. We have the four basic information: the open prices, the high prices, the highest prices actually that travel, if we could use that word, the lowest prices, and the close prices. That's why I told you that it's a very genius way to understand how the market moves at the given period. Now I will open some real markets, of course. Now it doesn't matter what you are trading, either it is commodities, either it is stocks, binary options. Candlesticks are all the same. They are all different in shapes. Red ones, usually, you can change the color. I mean, this is a preference. The red ones represent that the prices went lower, and the green ones that the prices were higher. As I said before, you can see that each candlestick represents a given period. I have also a video. There are many tutorials in this channel that there are all candlestick patterns that exist out there. You don't have to remember them since you are just start trading, because there are also some sites that can give you this kind of information automatically and for free. You just use the asset that you want to trade or anything that you want to do, and they will automatically say to you what is the pattern and in what time frame you can see it. Now let's stick to the basics. I am in the 1 hour chart. What does this mean? Each candle you see here, each bar represents a 1 hour. 1 hour duration. It means that in 1 hour, for example, if I go here, the prices went at this range. Now we are in a live markets. Most of my videos are in live markets because I think this is the best way to understand, because in trading you're gonna need a lot of practice before starting. This is a new candle. It started at 8 o'clock. It's 8:15, so this is a 1 hour period. Now the four information are exactly here. Here are the prices when this previous hour started, the higher of the range, the lower of the range, and where the prices close. Now why this is important? If I change time frames, now we're going to 30 minutes. You remember this is the candlestick that already started. Now for the previous hour, it means that the prices were going down for 30 minutes, but they didn't go down with the same pace the next 30 minutes. In the 1 hour chart you see a red bar, but if you go to the 30 minutes you see that the prices were not exactly the same. Now if we go to 15-minute chart, you see that in this first 15 minutes the prices fell really fast relative to the next 15 minutes. Remember, each bar represents a period, a 15-minute period. Here comes the problem. Of course, every time you change period, you're gonna see different things, and this is the issue when you are start trading. This is the problem, because initially you believe that something is down, but if you start changing time frames, the same market, the same thing, automatically transforms something different. The up becomes down, the down becomes up. But stick to the basics and check the 1 minute now. It's the fastest way to check that. I really prefer the 1 minute charts. Now in the 1 minute, in the previous minute, this is the prices, the price range. Why the candle is green? Because the prices were green. Now the prices are falling. You see that for this entire minute the prices fell. Now let's go to the next candle. You see this is the open price of our candle. It's green, but we still have no 1 minute. In algorithmic trading, probably you're gonna see that there are doing some transactions in the fractions of a second. Now you see that here is the prices that the candlestick travel. It was green, but now it won't close green, probably. I don't know. I'm not sure. I cannot predict the market so easily, at least for a 1 candle period. And now we are waiting for the 60 seconds to pass. I mean, there are 20 seconds left. When the goes to 8:19, it will change the candle. So the candle is red. This is the price range. When the minute closes in 3 seconds, 2, 1, now it will jump to the next one. Here it is. The prices for the previous minute. You can check the 4 basic information. Now of course this is the 1 minute chart. If you go to the 5 minute chart, 5 single minutes represents a 5 minute chart. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and the daily. The daily is for longer term. Each candle represents a day. So for yesterday, for example, the prices started from this point. In many platforms you can see the 4 information. If you mouse over, you can see the open price, the high price, the low price, and the close price. Indeed, the prices when the day started from this point. They went high until this point. That's why this is called a wick, and this is called the tail. The prices went down, but again they shoot up higher, 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 and this is where the candle, the day closed. Today is a new day. Of course the day hasn't closed yet. It's also important to check the market watch. I have make separate videos. There are too many information. I try to be very short. There are many tutorials also in this channel. You can check. Why it's so hard? Because when you are changing time frames, you will see different details, and you're gonna have different data. That's why trading can be difficult or confusing. Otherwise, we wouldn't have just a 5% winners. I mean, statistically, the things become more complicated as you start. Now that it's still the beginning, it's good to know these definitions. It won't be very helpful to understand. Also, you will see that there are some traders that do not use candlesticks because they are trading very long periods. But at any case, you will need them. Again, I will repeat that there are all candlestick patterns in this channel, in my library. It's a new channel, of course, and not all information are uploaded yet, but in the future be sure that everything you are going to need for trading will be in this platform. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I didn't waste your time, and I hope I'll see you in the future.